Funxies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this beautiful center table flower tray. It's very easy, it gives a wooden effect, but it's also made out of only cardboard. So let's get started. So over here I've taken this brown cardboard, not very thick, not very thin, just a medium layer, and then what I'll do is that I'll make a hole and cut this out. Okay, so now again I'll take my pencil and I'll make some lines over here. Once these lines are now done, now I'll just start making the petals. Okay, so as you can see it's done. Now I'll cut it out and then I'll cut this circle from the middle as well. Okay, so then I'll take this white foam sheet, and what I'll do is that I'll take my rounder and I'll start making these lines, basically embossing these lines onto the foam sheet this way. So once it's done, now I'll just take this white paper on one side and then the foam sheet on the other side. Then I'll stick this from both the sides to make a tray. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take two circles out of cardboard and then I'll apply foam sheet stripes on the corners and stick them together. Then after sticking it onto the base of the flower tray, I also make some crushed white paper balls that I'll stick in the middle. So I'll just put my hot glue over here and start sticking those crushed white paper balls over here. Once it's done, now let's start the painting part, and for that I'm using this beautiful red colored acrylic paint and also this yellow color acrylic paint just for the highlights. You can of course use any kind of combination for your home, and I'll paint it inside out. Once it's done, I'll use a dark brown color and I'll just dab it over the crushed balls and put some dark brown paint over here as well. Okay, once it's done, now the place which I've used rounder to emboss, I'll just put the brown color over there as well, just a little bit, and then put white color in the middle. So you can also use fabric paints instead of acrylic paints and paint it. Then the brown color will come over here as well on the bottom side, and ta-da! My beautiful easiest flower tray for my center table is completely ready, guys. So this is the final look. I loved it. It was giving me a pure wooden look and I just loved it because it was only made out of cardboard. So guys, if you also try this, make sure you send me your pictures on Instagram so that I can repost it on my Instagram and YouTube. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.